Jennifer Lopez's attempt to repair Ben Affleck's marriage backfires. Jennifer Lopez devised a strategy to preserve her marriage to Ben Affleck. Unfortunately, the scheme failed and the couple grew apart. According to InTouch Weekly, J-Lo persuaded the accountant star to undergo couple therapy, but he only accepted half-heartedly since he hates the whole humiliating process. According to the source, while Affleck believes in therapy to a point, he would never rely on it to determine whether or not his marriage works. The actor is willing to be a good sport about participating with an open mind, even though he hates the whole humiliating process, according to a source. He's never going to gauge the success of this marriage by what happens in the therapist's office, they stated. He also has a higher tolerance for conflict and having to fight to get his way than the average guy. The tipster claimed to have known the Hollywood stars for more than 10 years and stated that for Affleck and Lopez, everything is a fight. The only satisfaction he gets in life is beating the odds. The insider added of Affleck.